Let's be real, guys. Most men try way too hard when it comes to turning a woman on. They think it's about sending some cheesy pickup line, flooding her with emojis, or trying to act like a fake alpha. But here's the truth: what actually gets inside her head, what makes her really attracted, isn't what you see in movies or on Instagram. It's psychological. It's subtle. It's about flipping a few mental switches that make her feel drawn to you without you even trying too hard. And in this video, I'm gonna break down the exact psychological tricks that turn women on without being cringy. Stick around till the end, because number 7 is the one most guys get completely wrong, and it's why women ghost them after just a few texts. The mind before the body. Here's what you gotta understand first. Women get turned on in their mind before their body. For men, attraction is often visual, it's instant. For women, it's layered. It's emotional, psychological, and social all mixed together. That means if you can spark her mind, her emotions, and her curiosity, the attraction follows naturally. That's why some guys who aren't traditionally good looking still get women chasing them. It's not about looks, it's about how to make her feel. So let's dive into the exact triggers that create that spark. Trigger number 1, mystery. The first thing that turns her on isn't compliments or attention, it's mystery. Most guys overshare. They dump their life story in the first few conversations. But the moment she feels like she's figured you out, the attraction starts dying. Instead, give her pieces of the puzzle, but never the full picture. If she asks, "So what do you do?" don't drop your entire job description with a boring backstory. Keep it light, tease it, drop a hint, and let her wonder. Why? Because curiosity is addictive. The less she knows, the more she wants to find out. And curiosity creates emotional tension, which her brain translates as attraction. Trigger number 2, controlled confidence. Confidence is obvious, right? Everyone talks about it. But here's the thing: confidence isn't about being loud or arrogant. It's about controlled confidence. That means being calm when other guys would be nervous, smiling when she tests you, holding eye contact just a second longer than usual. See, women are biologically wired to be drawn to men who show stability under pressure. It signals strength and security, and that subtle control makes her feel safe and excited at the same time. Trigger number 3, wordplay and teasing. Want to turn her on over text? Stop being predictable. Instead of asking, "How was your day?" say, "Let me guess, you either saved the world today or binged Netflix in sweatpants." It's playful. It's teasing. It forces her to engage. Psychologically, teasing works because it creates what's called push-pull dynamics. You're showing interest, but you're also challenging her, and that challenge makes her chase your approval whether she admits it or not. Trigger number 4, subtle touch and tonality. Now, when you're face-to-face, attraction often comes down to subtle cues. Leaning in slightly when she's talking, lowering your voice just a bit when you're saying something serious, brushing her hand casually as if it's not a big deal. It's those micro moments that build sexual tension. Too much too fast feels desperate, but small, controlled actions build anticipation like slow fire spreading under the surface. Remember, anticipation is often hotter than instant gratification. Trigger number 5, purpose and drive. Here's the part most men completely underestimate. A man with purpose is naturally attractive. Think about it: when you're focused on your goals, building your craft, chasing something bigger than just dating, you give off energy that women can feel. It's not about bragging, it's about showing through your actions that you have a life that excites you. That makes her want to be part of it, because nothing turns a woman off faster than a man who makes her the center of his universe. She doesn't want to be your whole life. She wants to be invited into your world. Trigger number 6, emotional variety. Here's a big one: emotional variety. Most guys stick to one vibe. Either they're too serious, too boring, or too goofy. But the truth is, women love emotional waves. Make her laugh, then make her curious, then go deep and vulnerable for a moment, then pull back and get playful again. It's like a roller coaster. If the ride is flat, she gets off. But if it's up and down, fast and slow, she's hooked. That variety creates emotional addiction. And trust me, addiction is attraction. Trigger number 7, walking away. This is the most powerful one, but also the hardest for most men: the ability to walk away. When you're not afraid to lose her, she feels it, and it's magnetic. Because most guys cling. They text too much. They chase. They beg for attention. But when you show that you value yourself more than her approval, she starts valuing you more. It's the paradox of attraction. The less you need her, the more she wants you. So don't be afraid to step back. Sometimes silence is the loudest turn on. So let's recap. Turning her on isn't about cheesy lines or flexing. It's about psychology. Spark her curiosity with mystery. Show controlled confidence. Use playful teasing in your words. Master subtle touches and tonality. Live with purpose that excites you. Create emotional variety. And finally be willing to walk away. Do these, and you'll stop being the guy who tries too hard and start being the guy women feel drawn to without even knowing why. If you got value from this video, hit that like button so YouTube knows this is worth sharing. And if you want more deep psychology tips like this, subscribe to Silent Tribe, where men learn to stop chasing and start attracting. Remember, real power isn't loud, it's silent, and that's why women can't resist it.